Boulevard here. I'll have the impact on your morning commute.
Preparing for the possibility of snow. What you need to know to get ready for this weekend storm.
And conditions are still on track for it to be a plowable snow event. Let's talk track and also the impacts of the upcoming storm system.
Documents connected to accused sex trafficker Jeffrey Epstein now unsealed, what we've learned overnight.
And a big move that could close half of Boston public schools in order to improve classes and save money.
Now, live on WBZ TV and streaming on CBS News Boston. This is WBZ News Mornings.
Good morning, everybody. 6 a.m. on your Thursday, January 4th. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kate Merrill.
And I'm Leo Martin. Happy Thursday, everybody. We are in a weather alert for the potential snow this weekend. Jason Michael is here with the latest forecast, and it's starting to kind of come into clarity here, Jason.
Yeah, we're starting to see a little bit closer in terms of how this storm system is going to be unfolding across the area. We're getting closer and closer to the event, which means our confidence is building in terms of the timeline as well as what the impacts could likely be once we get into Saturday evening into the overnight hours. Snow chances beginning to ramp up once we get past the sunset hour for us on Saturday evening, mainly ocean effect because of the warmer air down near the Cape as well as the islands. But also notice as the system gets closer, we now get back into the center of the storm system and really starts to flex its muscle once we get into the sunrise hour for us on Sunday. Still a plowable snow event, okay? This is why we're erring on the side of getting everybody prepared to get that generator going, get that snow plower out of the attic, out of the basement, wherever it is in storage, and make sure that that is working. Forecast wind gusts likely to be highest along and also south and east of the city. Think the Cape and the islands where the highest wind gusts roughly could be anywhere from 50 to 60 miles per hour gusts there. The country is quiet at this hour. However, a little bit closer to home, we do have a weak system slicing and dicing the area over the next several hours, eliciting some flurries to even some flakes to cascade across the area. Behind that, though, we're clearing things out and also making room for Saturday into Sunday's storm system. We'll talk about the latest details on this storm coming up in the full forecast. But again, over to Brianna now with that rollover crash latest.
Jason, we are following this breaking overnight news here. That rollover crash shutting down Morrissey Boulevard near UMass Boston. These are live pictures from the scene. You can see investigators out and about working this crash, looking at the car, which is on its side there. So this is a very active scene. We're trying to find out what happened here, how this crash happened, who was hurt. So we will bring you that information as soon as we are able to get it. But a very active investigation underway there on Morrissey Boulevard. As a result, they have also shut down the off-ramp to Morrissey. So a bit hard to see with all the cars now, but that exit 13B, is closed. There's cones out, so you have to stay to the left to get around that. Here's our other big problem this morning. In Medford, we have a crash now. It is blocking the left lane, 93 southbound at exit 24 there for Roosevelt Circle and the Fellsway. You can see those delays now stretch all the way back past 128. This is a 40-minute delay. So your drive time getting into the city now is over 1 hour from 495, Liam.
Oh, man, what a start to Thursday.